While today may not have felt very significant to most, it was one of the biggest events of the year for software developers. Today was the keynote for WWDC 2019. At DubDub, as it is affectionately called, Apple held their keynote per usual. Within this 2-hour span, they announced their vision for both software as well as hardware. The next versions of iOS, watchOS, tvOS, and macOS were announced, as well as the brand new iPad OS. And while WWDC is targeted at developers, many of the user-facing features were demoed on stage. Additionally, the new Mac Pro was introduced. However, in this video, I'm not going to cover every single feature announced for all platforms, as that would make this video astronomically long. Today, we're taking a quick first look at iOS 13. Before even getting into the device, there is one huge change. Face ID is lightning fast. On my iPhone X, it feels rather seamless, easily matching the speeds of my XS. While this change may feel a bit small, it's one of those quality of life improvements that really make a huge impact on the day-to-day. At first glance, not much seems to have changed. The lock screen and home screen seem practically the same as the previous version. It's not until we go into settings that we see what is arguably the biggest feature, dark mode. Finally, after countless requests for a moodier look for iOS, we finally have it. Additionally, it can be scheduled to turn on at sunset and turn off at sunrise, which is probably how I'm going to be using it. And I gotta say, it looks beautiful. Next up, we have the swipe keyboard called Quick Path Typing. While you could use a gesture-based keyboard for iOS for quite a while via third parties, it wasn't integrated into the system, so having this ability built into the native keyboard is a big deal. I personally really enjoy typing via gestures, so I'm quite excited for this new change. The next one is huge. Remember that large, ugly volume HUD? It's gone. Yes, that's right, it's now been shifted to the side and is way less disruptive. I'm in love. Next, we've got a brand new share sheet with an all-new design. At the top, it has contextual suggestions for sharing. Having gone years as a rather buggy and featureless piece of software, Reminders has been completely rewritten. New features such as natural language processing, quick toolbar, smart lists, and more have been added to the app. For many people, Reminders will be the perfect app for managing their life. Memoji has a handful of new features, including new makeup options. Oh, and you can give your avatar AirPods. Sweet. Additionally, Apple automatically generates sticker packs based around the Memoji you create, which is awesome. Portrait mode has received some new changes with an all-new lighting option called High Key Mono, as well as customizability with regards to lighting intensity. Speaking of photos, you can now apply filters and crop videos. This is a huge update, as previously it was extremely hard to do any kind of quick video edits in iOS 12. There were many more changes in iOS 13, such as sign in with Apple, Siri shortcuts, and Siri reading your messages back to you, but we won't get into those changes in this video. Now, I'm sure you probably want to get your hands on iOS 13 right the heck now. Unfortunately, it's not available yet, and for good reason. It's currently in developer beta form, and as such, is quite unstable and rough around the edges. Plus, even to install it, you have to have a developer account with Apple, which costs $100 a year. There will be a free public beta later this summer, and the update will be available for your phone when it releases as a stable update for everyone in the fall. Well, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, hit that subscribe button and pop that bell. Thanks, and I'll see y'all later.